Number 13, discussion and vote. Discussion and vote, approve resolutions to pay legal fees for a former elected official under Public Officers Law, Section 18. Approve the payment of legal fees for a former elected official under Public Officers Law, Section 18, in the amount of $4,876. The invoices were presented and reviewed and will be paid out from an assignment of liability for legal expense established November 28, 2023. The actual bills will be attached to the minutes. I move that the City Council approve the resolutions to pay legal fees for a former elected official under Public Officers Law, Section 18. I put this in the form of a motion. Is there a second?
Second.
Is there any discussion on this?
Yeah, one of the commenters brought up, I think, a point that should be reflected on and also reflected on with what was reported in the Attorney General's report, which is this individual has not complied with the Attorney General's investigation, and that's very troubling to me. And we were also told as a City Council that there weren't any more legal bills necessary, yet here they come.
So are these new for 2024, or is this work that happened in 2023?
Not sure. Yeah, 2024. This was 2024.
So does this mean that there's ongoing conversation happening between this person and the AG's office?
Seen that? It's to review the AG's report.
So does this mean that the person is interacting with the AG's office? Because I know that was one of the issues, right, of the report.
I think the attorney is.
So are they able to...
I'm not inclined to vote for coverage for anybody who's not complying with the requirements of the Attorney General. I'm sorry. It's like they're the top law enforcement official in this state. We're not picking to side with the middle management opinion of law enforcement. We're listening to the Attorney General. What they stated in that report is, from their perspective, the things that occurred. And if they make a definitive statement that this person didn't comply, I take that seriously.
As we all should.
Yeah, it's troubling.
But so we have in the past, when these things have come up, as the finance commissioner, I have talked about at what point are we going to limit the monies that we are going to spend on this. We have been told, and the city attorneys can clarify, that we as city council can put a cap on these payouts. So is that something that we should be considering as a city council, especially as these legal bills don't seem to be ending?
Is this a better discussion to have an executive session?
No, I think it's a fine discussion to have right here.
Because, you're talking about, folks and lawyers that are representing them. And I'd like to have a further discussion with our city attorneys regarding
Well, it's on the agenda, so that's why we're talking about it.
Well,
but we have a lot of things
on the agenda to
agenda.
vote this. We're talking about the future, maybe. This is on the agenda to pay this bill now. But, that's what we're voting on. I hear what you have to say.
I think I would like some more information before I can vote on this. So if we want to do an executive session, I'm amenable to that. But I don't want to vote on it right now as is.
Well, so, okay, but I'm going to call a vote for it. So.
As you can, it is your prerogative.
John, do you want to table it? And, is it urgent that it be voted on this evening? Yeah. Or can it be tabled? Because I'd rather we all got on the same page than rush it and not get...
Okay, I will table this. I will table this for tonight. Yeah.
Thank you.
We don't even see the invoices.
Take a vote to table it? I don't think so.
Nope.
I just table it.
No, you can just table it.
But this will come back, and we will be discussing this. Okay. All right, so that is tabled.